Yeah, and how that came about is that there was an engineer in Vancouver, and the Low Income Housing Institute was so frustrated with the people leaving the windows open in the low income housing projects that they asked the engineer to create a system that would turn off the heat during anytime the windows were opened. So they created this elaborate relay with 24 volt, and it was in the wall, and it was noisy. It clunked and it made noise every time they opened and closed the windows, and they weren't really that happy with it. And my rep Eric Kister came to me and said, "Hey, can you make something like this?" I said, I think we could do that in a thermostat. And so that's how we came up with the WindowWatcher thermostat. And the WindowWatcher just has a set of bell wires that go out. And if you open the window, it turns it off, and close it, it turns it on. And then we also ended up doing it at a bunch of universities too, just a handful of them down there at Oregon. It was a really very successful, and we still have it today. We have multiple versions of it, programmable, non-programmable. The new version has the occupancy sensor, so it will turn off and on depending on occupancy in the room too. Just set it back to 60. So that's how the WindowWatcher came about.